How to add admins to your Facebook page. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add admins to your Facebook page. So first, you can go ahead and open your Facebook application, or you can also do it from your website. Go ahead, log into your specific account, and then go to the pages section. Tap on your Facebook page to open it. Or you can also try switching between your main profile and your Facebook page. Tap on your profile in the top right corner of your screen, then go to Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now scroll down and go to Page Setup, then go to Page Access. And here you'll get three different sections of people with Facebook access, people with task access, business portfolio access. Or you can also go ahead and add community managers. If you want to go ahead and give access to someone to your Facebook page, go ahead and tap on Add New option. Then tap on Next and follow the on-screen instructions. Then enter the name or the email address of the specific person and send them an invite. Or you can also go to the Meta Business Suite. From this page, you need to go ahead and tap on Settings. Now tap on Pages. And here you can see that I have assigned 2 people in my Facebook page. Now, if you want to go ahead and add more partners, you can go ahead and search their name or ID and then add them. Or you can tap on Assign People over here and go ahead and add a person. You can also assign the partner or connect assets. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.